So how you can disable location tracking in your Windows system? Okay, we can say GPS. So how you can do that? First of all, open the settings. You can search the settings or click the setting icon. Okay, so just open the setting. When you open the setting, you can see left hand side privacy and security option. Click on privacy and security option. When you click on privacy and security option, you have to slide down a little bit. You can see app permission here. The first icon is the location. Okay, GPS location jo. Okay, so in the location you can just turn off the location. When this location on, okay, so just turn off the location. It will automatically block everything. Okay, so just turn off the location. Okay, now you have disabled the location. If you want to enable, you can just enable it. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.